In this video, I will be showing you how to set up a powerful ChatGPT system to write high-converting blog post introductions for any topic. Let's get started. First, I open ChatGPT in my browser and pull up a notepad where I've prepared a detailed master prompt. This prompt establishes my persona as Josh, an educator and content creator, and defines the specific rules I want my AI assistant to follow, such as hooking the reader immediately and maintaining a natural, conversational tone. I copy this entire text and paste it directly into the input field to set the foundation. Once I hit enter, ChatGPT confirms it understands the instructions, outlining the target audience and the core principles it will use for every introduction it writes from now on. Now that the system is ready, I go back to my notes to grab a specific task. I'm asking for 5 different introduction options for a blog post about overthinking and decision-making. I paste that in and watch as the AI generates 5 distinct styles, including relatable scenarios, surprising facts, and bold statements. To refine these results, I copy a follow-up prompt to pick the top 2 performers for platforms like LinkedIn and Pinterest. I paste this request, and ChatGPT identifies the best choices, explains why they work, and provides rewritten versions with even sharper, more urgent opening sentences. Next, I want to test the system on a different niche, so I copy a prompt for a beginner's guide to building a personal brand. After pasting it in, I get another set of high-quality intros that feel personal and engaging rather than robotic. I follow this up with a request for a listicle-style post about productivity habits. I paste the instructions, and ChatGPT quickly provides options like a productivity myth and a before and after contrast, which are perfect for keeping readers scrolling. For posts that need to rank in search results, I can also target specific keywords. I copy a prompt for a post about improving communication skills at work and paste it into the chat. Notice how the AI naturally integrates the keyword within the first few sentences while keeping the hook strong. Finally, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a reusable framework for my future writing. This generates 4 specific formulas, like the problem empathy promise method, complete with templates and examples. With this quick system, I can now generate a professional, polished blog introduction for any topic in under 10 minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.